right, so what are we doing?
We're gonna do 69 sinks of limiter on the LT80 for 69 subscribers. We're happy. We're just really just so privileged to have all 69.
Get the hat. Get the hat. Get the hat. Nice.
But huge thanks from MF Films / Joe Neal Productions. But this LT80 is gonna go out with a bang.
All right, let's do it. We're only at 10 seconds. That was 69 seconds of limiter. Yeah! Woo! That's the hole it dug. Herschel's filthy. That tire's flat. Careful that tire!
What happened?
Completely flat.
I don't believe it.
What could have possibly done this?
Stupid thing. What else am I gonna ride?
All right, time to load up, I guess.
Oh, dude, it left the valve stem. Bro.
No valve stem.
Oh, look, it sucks in the dirt.
Oh, shoot. Dang.
Well,
And on that note,
thank you for subscribing to MF Films.
it's time to end. See you later.